How to change light color or RGB on OLA F75 keyboard. First step is to download and install the OLA F75 software. Visit the EPO Maker website to download the official OLA F75 software. After you download it, install it on your PC. Step 2. Launch the software. Open the installed software to access the customization interface. Last step is to customize RGB lighting. Select Lighting tab, navigate to the Lighting section within the software, and then choose Lighting Mode. Browse and select from various preset lighting modes or create your own lighting mode. Now on Adjust colors and effects. Customize individual key colors, set up gradients or configure reactive effects as desired, and then save and apply it. And that's basically it.